How to connect Gamee Telegram bot wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to connect your Gamee Telegram bot wallet so you can start earning rewards. Let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app and search for the Gamee bot by typing @Gamee in the search bar. Once you've found it, tap Start to initiate the bot. To connect your wallet, type /wallet in the bot chat. The Gamee bot will generate a wallet address for you, and this is where your rewards from games will be stored. If you want to connect a crypto wallet, follow the bot's instructions by typing link wallet. You can now enter your Tone, coin, or another supported crypto address if you'd like to withdraw your earnings to a secure wallet like Tonekeeper or Trust Wallet. After linking your wallet, the bot will confirm the connection and your rewards will be sent to the provided wallet address. And that's it, your Gamee bot wallet is now connected and ready to collect rewards. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.